Welcome! Today I am with KIA Sportage and I will show you how we can change keyboard language format. So we have to go for the settings, and next we have to tap on the keyboard in the right bottom corner, and there we can find the default keyboard language. So there we get Latin, Cyrillic or just Korean. You have to decide what you want to get. When we go for the Korean, just take a look how it will be looks when we go back. For example, we can rename our car, and as you can see, that's how our keyboard language has changed. And of course, if you want to change it another time, you have to go back for the keyboard, tap on the default keyboard language, and then just change it for Cyrillic, Latin or just Korean. And after that we can just simply go back. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.